Abby, yeah, those people are staring at us because, look, there are birds on our car because Aunt Kim is making peanut butter and jelly. Mmm.
Peanut butter and raspberry jelly.
See? 2 birds plus 1 equals too many birds. Say hi, Kayla.
Hi,
Yes. It's recording.
you know, these are the birds.
One left.
Oh, one left. Thanks. Look at the head.
Oh, there's cute little birds. It's like, oh, it's gone. People, I can't believe people were staring.
I can.
Would you stare at people like?
Yeah, it listens to me a lot. Yeah.
This is going on Facebook. Up. The one. Now he left. He's chilling on that car. Domo. Arigato. Okay, now we can turn it off.
Oh, there's still one more.
What are you gonna record it until we drive off and he flies away? That is some seriously cool bread, yo.
Okay, here.
Bye-bye, Facebook. Bye-bye, Birdie.
Fun facts are left. One for the front, one for the back.
Oh, there's some more left in there.
No, it's just that. Okay.
There's the other bird. Bye-bye.